Hi, my name's Andy. I'm from Donegal in Ireland. For the last few years, I was losing my hair, especially the temples and my hairline. So it's about 6 months ago. I was in Budapest on a weekend and decided to Google the best place in Hungary to get your hair done, and Hair Palace come up. So I visited their clinic, got a consultation, and was amazed by the price, a fraction of what it would cost back home. Couldn't believe it. Went back home, and a week later I booked, and all I had to do was organise my flight, which was around €100. The accommodation was covered, transport to and from the airport was covered. Was very professional. The job was great what they done. No pain at all, pain free. The worst thing was just with the waiting for it started to grow, and now it's 5 months since I got it done now, and now I have got the hairline that I had when I was 24, and I'm now 54, so I'm very happy and would highly recommend Hair Palace.